gonna cook a recipe for garlic.
Mommy J cooks. There's a twinkle in
Your
her eyes.
tomatoes, your onions, and your pepper and salt.
Sounds stepful.
Savory and sweet, she's got the touch. Her culinary skills leave us in a crush. She adds a dash of this and that, creating flavors that make our taste buds chat. Mommy J cooks with a love so true. She's got the magic to make me and you feel like we're home with the taste of her delight. Mommy J cooks and everything's alright. Stars begin to shine, glowing whisper safe. Magic will be fine in the twilight sway. With every bite, we take a trip to a place of joy where love never dips. Mommy J's cooking, it brings us near to the heart of love and the joy that's clear. Mommy J cooks with a love so true. She's got the magic to make me and you feel like we're home with the taste of her delight.